Hello, warm welcome to all of you. I'm Lipika. I wish you all a very happy World Music Day in this year 2020. Let's start with the message sent by John A. Zamit Pace, the avant-garde musician and composer from Malta, whose music has been performed in various countries like UK, USA, Latin America, France, Germany, Romania, Iceland, and Australia.
Hello. On the occasion of World Music Day, I'd like to greet you all by saying that if we could use music as a medium of expression, we would, in all probability, have a better understanding and peaceful approach towards life. And for today's program, one has to keep in mind that music is not just entertainment, but an art and a spiritual expression, and surpasses all boundaries of language, religion, race, and politics. Music does not exist here, in this realm. We pull it in from a higher dimension and perform it. The higher dimension being our higher self, where that resides. Then once performed, music goes back to source. Thank you. I wish you all the best for today's program.
Thank you very much, John, for your valuable words. The Fête de la Musique, Festival of Music, World Music Day, is a worldwide celebration which started in France in the year 1982 to promote the amateur and professional artists, so that many concerts are organized and all genres of music are made accessible to the public. June 21st was selected as a day to commemorate the 6,000 years old practice, because scientifically June 21st is the day of the summer solstice, when the tilt of a planet's axis in the northern hemisphere is most inclined towards the star that it orbits. In our case, the Earth and the Sun. It's the longest day of the year in terms of daylight. What are the benefits of listening music? Music makes us happier. Music enhances running performance. Music lowers stress and improves health. Music helps us sleep better, reduces depression. Music strengthens learning and memory. My honorable friend Enam Obiosio, a senior journalist, has also sent his message on the World Music Day from Nigeria.
To all of you in the world, I join my sister Lipika to wish you Happy World Music Day. You all can see that different problems are ravaging the world at the moment. But the trouble in the world does not call for despair or loss of faith in the solution, because we shall all conquer and come out victorious soon. Let us live this moment in love and not hate. Looking up, let us all be hopeful. Stop worrying, for eventually all good things shall fall in place. Until then, let our hope for the future drown the present confusion, knowing that everything happens for a reason. Once again, Happy World Music Day.
He believes we will overcome all crises within a certain period and will be singing the peaceful melody again. Thank you very much, Enam, for your good wish on the very special day. Quotations from some social heroes. According to Oscar Wilde, music makes one feel so romantic. At least it gets on one's nerves, which is the same thing nowadays. According to Beethoven, Music is like a dream, one that I cannot hear. Quotes from Paul Simon. Music is forever. Music should grow and mature with you, following you right on up until you die. According to Alphonse de Lamartine, music is the literature of the heart. It commences where speech ends. According to Plato, music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Albert Einstein said, "If I was not a physicist, I would probably be a musician." I often think of music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. According to Bob Marley, one good thing is about music. When it hits you, you feel no pain. Another good wish from another continent.
Here's wishing you a very happy World Music Day. Have fun, everybody.
I would request my friend Somali to do a chanting with an universal appeal beyond all religion and materialistic thinking, based on spiritualism, tranquility of mind, and offerings to the Supreme Power.
Hello and greetings to you all on the occasion of World Music Day. This is one day in the year 1982. People came out on the street to celebrate music among the people, along with the people, and to make music as lifestyle. Yes, we are better human beings while with music. So while we are going through a critical stage of our lives around the world during this pandemic, let us be more connected. Though we are not being able to go out on the street, but no worries, we are very much connected on social media. Let us be connected, let us be holding our hands together to fight back the hard time. And human beings are often called the best creature of this nature. Let us be worthy to be called so. Let us be better human beings. Let us be true to ourselves. Let us be true to the nature. Today I'll be performing chant music. I personally believe music is one dialect that can be used to touch the soul of human beings around the world. And while this is the basic notes of our prayers, we can see that how our own prayers are reflected in each other's tune. I'll be performing Upanishad, Arabic chanting, Kaddish from Kabbalah, the very ancient tune from 6th century BC Africa, Buddhist chanting, and we'll be seeing how wonderful to see each of this tune be reflected to the another. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate.
जगतं जगत् तेन तत्तेन बुद्धिता मा वेदकस्य सिद्धनं शान्तिः 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 लब्धैक ला हुम लब्धैक ला शरीक लक लब्धैक ऐन्यल हमद वल्नीमत लक वल्मुल्क ला शरीक ला लब्धैक ला हुम लब्धैक ला शरीक लक लब्धैक ऐन्यल हमद वल्नीमत लक वल्मुल्क لا شريك له لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك له لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك له لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك له बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं
There is a tune all over the world: faith, love, and unity. We will make a heaven here with good heart and purity. My heartiest thanks and good wishes to all of you on the very special day, Fête de la Musique. A very happy World Music Day. Happy World Music Day. Happy World Music Day. Goodbye.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك محمد شرعا جدّاني لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك शांति शांति शांति